Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, welcome back to Makeup in Time with Julia. How about that intro? What do you think, guys? I was minding my own business on Amazon because I always go there. So here is what I've got. Here is a new eyeshadow palette. Okay, this eyeshadow is not cruelty free. You have all the ingredient and all that stuff here. Made in China. Yeah, made the PRC. Also have expiry date. It was made 2021. In fact, the date it was made was on the 8th of January 2021. Then it's gonna expire on the 7th of January 2024. 2024. Okay, 2021 to 2024. I just got it. Okay, here we go. So it's nude. All right, here is the eyeshadow, guys. The official dupe, because I have not seen any other brand so far. After you open it, you have 24 months to use it, like as I'm gonna open it today, which what you have here is all plasticky and all. Look, me opening it's all that plastic. I got my ring light on today. I got a daylight on this side because we have a French door here. I have a bay window on the other end, but it's not too reflecting. Try to put another light on here, but it's not working. Well, I'll just stick with this one. In total, you have 18 shades. There is no mirror, as you can see. This shade here that make the Huda Beauty eyeshadow, the nude palette, the Nothing Nude palette kind of stand out. So every other palette we've seen is also right here. This let me show you. I don't know what it's like. It look like the picture of COVID. Don't say it. I didn't say. You didn't hear from me. So because I found a cheaper version of that, I thought I will bring it to my channel, because more or less I do bring you guys a dupe on this channel. Okay, and that kind of soft glam vibe, this is what this eyeshadow represents. I ordered yesterday, it arrived today. The price was £7.88. I don't know how much that is in dollars. I'm looking for shimmer shade, so what I'm gonna do, I'm going to swatch this shade right here and see what is this all about. Yeah, it's creamy. I do one rubbing. After that one rubbing of that stuff on top, is all kind of disappear into thin air. I don't know what that is. Okay, let me swatch it for you. I hope we're not too wash out with this ring light and a daylight combined together now. Should I turn it down? I'm scared. Little bit. It's still the same. I turned the ring light down a little bit. Still the same. Let me just swatch all the shimmer shade. Okay. And this very one here. And this one here. All these are like, all these have that kind of mambo effect. Okay. I'll swatch all the shimmer for you. Okay, it's looking promising on my skin. It's showing. And the next shimmer shade, this one is also showing. If it show, you guys know how bad I am when it comes to swatches, right? If it manage to show here, you know it's gonna be popping up here. I'll start with this very one here. Then this very one. Oh, I love this buttery. Oh, I love food. Mama, this one is not giving me that vibe. Huh? Okay. By now, oh yes. Yes. Yes to this. Yes to this. And yes to this. Come on now, guys. Here you go. This is a... Yes. And this one, Come on now, these two though. This shade is not too far from this shade. Hey, I use a Revolution Ultimate Eye Base. I'm sure by now, the last time I used my P. Louise base, I developed some rash. I'm sure that one is expired now, so I won't be using my P. Louise base. But then I order new one. I concentrate on these bitches. I will start with this shade right here. Oh my god, there is a kickback. This is good. Me, I like this. I'll swap it around. Yeah, I'll use this. I'll take this shade, yeah, which is slightly dark right here. The pigment though, this is stunning. Then I will dip this area with the same shade. I'll take the previous shade. I'll just, you know, kind of, I'm just gonna leave this palette in table. I find my everyday palette now, I guess. I'm just blending now. I have not taken an extra product. I'm just using the brush to blend it. I'll go with this shade to blend this area. Me, I'm good to go already. I will dab first. Dab the matte shade, guys. Oh my god, the matte shade, guys. This is absolutely stunning. Apply this sloppy stuff. Since we are new to this sloppy stuff, I have my own unique way of giving something names. Don't blame me. So the sloppy stuff we're gonna apply. Okay, sloppy look like a picture of COVID. Oh Lord. Okay, the sloppy stuff is just a subtle shimmer, which I don't like. This is rubbish. Slimy, creamy stuff. My bloody hell. Let's put a real shimmer. I'm gonna add this on top of it. I'm gonna add this shade right here on top of it. I'm gonna, at this time, I will use my hand. Now you are telling me something. Let me come close to the camera. This is the type of shimmer I like. Easy to take. When it gets to your skin, it melts. Like, I got nothing on you, love. Absolutely nothing on you. Just in between. This very shade right here. Just here. Now let's clean between matte and shimmer shade. Use this very shade right here, one I used before. These two together, just to clean this part. So I'm using this. I'm running low now. Scandal. This yes, Candle Eyes 24 hours. I'm gonna do, I will mix these two shades together to do my under eye, both eyes. You know, very simple to just lighten it. Yeah, I will apply a matte shade on my inner corner. This very light shade right here on my inner corner. They are pigmented. Let me just go. I will spice this up with a little bit of crystal, then that's it, to be honest. Okay guys, I am now finally back. Everything is done, and yes, I just went on to put some crystal. I put some lashes on. The style I used today is MIT 5, barely there, suitable for work, lovely, from our lash collection. Okay, even the setting powder I used today is from our collection. We recently launched a setting powder. It's available on our website. The matte shade from this palette is stunning. They are stunning. There are shimmer here that I'm not sure of. This shade right here is dry as F. This shade right here is just a subtle shimmer, but the way they mix it, like tiny little bowl with some creamy stuff, you know. This very shade right here, you know, I'm very messy. You can't really see all the tiny little bowl now, but they were there initially. It just a subtle shimmer. This shade is very similar to this shade, but this one is more poppy than this very one. It just that subtle shimmer, creamy, that I personally just don't like. I will recommend this based on the quality of the matte shade and some of the shimmers. That's it for today's video, guys. I shall see you guys on my very next video. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram, is at Makeup It Time with Julia. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, use this moment to subscribe to my channel. I shall see you guys on my very next video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Good night and God bless. I said good night and God bless because it's 6 p.m. and evening, not 9, and it's still light.